Welcome everyone. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to start on Amazon Merch on Demand. Most print-on-demand platforms let anyone walk in off the street. That creates noise, clutter, and infinite competition. Amazon Merch on Demand is different. It is invitation only. You cannot simply sign up. You cannot start selling immediately. You must be accepted. Do not look at this as a hurdle. Look at it as a filter. The fact that it is difficult to get in means that once you are in, you are part of an exclusive marketplace with higher standards and massive traffic. This isn't just about filling out a form. It is about earning your spot at the table. Stand tall, prepare yourself, and let's get you that invitation. Phase 1. The application. The hardest part. Listen closely, because what you are about to do is the hardest part of this entire journey. You aren't just signing up for a website, you are asking for a seat at the table. Amazon rejects thousands of people without a single word of explanation, but that won't be you. You are going to approach this application with the mindset of a professional, not a spammer. When you reach that additional information box, you will not leave it blank. That is your stage. Here is how you win. Show your work. Don't tell them you want money. Show them you are an artist. Link your portfolio, your Behance, or your Instagram. Be specific. Tell them exactly who you are, a graphic designer, a vector artist, a typography expert. Respect the rules. Make them aware that you understand copyright and intellectual property. This process might take 2 weeks, it might take 6 months, but the clock doesn't start until you hit submit. Do not let the fear of rejection stop you from requesting that invitation. Fill out the form. Prove your value. Get in the game. By the way, if you want to see how I do niche research, how I prompt and generate designs, how I edit design, and how I upload to all of these platforms, then watch my How I Do Print on Demand videos. Consider you got accepted. You have passed the application, but now you face the true test of your discipline. Welcome to Phase 2, Understanding the Tier System. Do not look at Tier 10 as a restriction. Look at it as a sniper's challenge. You have 10 shots. You cannot afford to just throw spaghetti at the wall and hope something sticks. Every single slot in your inventory is precious real estate. This is where you sharpen your skills. To rise to Tier 25, Tier 100, and beyond, you need to prove your worth with 10 solid sales and a full portfolio. Whether you create high-quality designs that the market craves or you buy your own shirts to force that door open, do what is necessary. Don't waste these 10 slots. Make them count, get your sales, and level up. Phase 3. Creating your designs. This is where your creativity meets professional discipline. This isn't just about drawing, it is about precision. You have a canvas of 4,500 by 5,400 pixels at your command. Respect that space. Ensure your resolution is crisp at 300 dpi and your background is transparent. Why? Because Amazon demands excellence. And if your file isn't perfect, the door stays shut. But the true test of a creator is integrity. In this phase, you must follow the golden rule. Don't be a copycat. Don't look for shortcuts. The ban bot is watching, but it cannot touch you if you remain original. Do your homework. Check your trademarks. Respect the intellectual property of others just as you want them to respect yours. Do not fear the strict standards. Embrace them. They are there to separate the amateurs from the professionals. So go check tests, open your art software, and create something that is undeniably yours. Let's get to work. Phase 4. The upload process. This is not just data entry, this is strategic execution. When you upload that file, you are opening the doors to a global audience. You have the power to put your vision on standard tees, premium shirts, and even list them in markets as far away as Germany and Japan with a single click. Don't overlook the power of your words. Your brand name is your flexibility. Tailor it to your audience. Your bullet points are your voice. Speak naturally to the customer and use those keywords to ensure your work gets the spotlight it deserves. Finally, set your price with purpose. Whether you aim low to build momentum or stand firm at the market average to claim your reward, you are in control. The tools are right in front of you. Fill those fields, check your details, and get ready to show the world what you have created. Phase 5. Publishing. This is more than just clicking a blue button. It is an act of courage. It is perfectly natural to feel a moment of hesitation when you see that status change to processing or under review. The fear of a rejection or a manual filter is part of the game, but don't let it paralyze you. You have done the work. You have checked your trademarks. Trust your preparation, because on the other side of that review status is the word live. In as little as 15 minutes, your idea will transform from a private file on your hard drive into a product available on the world's largest marketplace. The world is ready to see what you have created. Take a deep breath, click publish. Let's get you live. I answer question. Comment down below.